How a 19-year-old student who is not even a graduate yet has managed to make 9 income streams and is earning 87 lakhs per year. So in this video, we will discuss about his life and try to connect all the dots. Continue to watch this to get into the mindset of a 19-year-old great student and see what he has figured out. Welcome everyone, my name is Faiz and I am the founder of Inshaan Corporation and you are watching Know Your Freelance YouTuber series part 3 which is about Ishan Sharma. Before starting, I would like to tell a story about Abraham Lincoln. I am sure you must have heard about him. He was the 16th President of United States. But did you know that he failed in business in 1831, suffered nervous breakdown in 1836 and he was defeated in his run for president in 1856. But he did not give up. He tried to pursue his dream of achieving something and ultimately won the president election in the year 1861. Now the moral of the story is everything is okay if you learn from your mistakes and move on. And that's what Ishan did in our case. Let us follow his journey to understand how he's making 9 income streams and earning more than 87 lakhs per year. Now we'll be dividing this into 2 phases. We will learn about his life and then try to connect all the dots. He's from a very small town, Khandwa, and he used to change his school frequently, which ultimately developed a skill of getting used to a different kind of surrounding. The thing that I liked about Ishan was during his early days, his story goes that he used to scrap a lot of things and that showed his nature of being an engineer. So he wanted to be an engineer and he dreamt of getting into an IIT. Because of that, he joined coaching classes and he had a very hectic life. He used to prepare a lot, he used to study a lot to achieve his dream to get into an IIT. He surpassed JEE mains marks as well, but something unusual happened during his JEE advance. He panicked in his JEE advanced and he was not able to get into an IIT. But the thing is, when he got back from the exam, he realized that he was not gonna get into an IIT. So he started preparing for his future. He started learning Python and tried to acquire new skills. After that, he got into bit and started learning data science and web development. He also learned social media marketing and content creation. Now, content creation was the part that got him excited. As in the case of Curious Series, he was also inspired by his senior. Now Curious Series is his senior, so he saw his video as well and he was really inspired, and when he was doing his content creation, he thought that podcast would be one thing to pursue. So he started making podcast and then uploading it on YouTube. But podcast really at that point of time was not a scene, and even now it is not as big as pursuing a YouTube channel or uploading content on YouTube. Now one positive thing happened was when he was making podcast, he got in touch with a lot of seniors, he made connections, he made networks through them and was consistently making a podcast that got him a bit of fame in his campus. And ultimately he decided to deviate a bit and upload a more of YouTube kind of videos which would people love. And during that point of time, again in 2020 and 2021, people were searching online on how to acquire new skill or how to earn money from home. Now in this part we can connect the dots here. During his school days, when he was changing his schools, he developed a skill of adaptability. He started adapting to a new situations and getting comfortable in that. So when he was making podcast and the podcast thing was not going in his direction, he shifted into making more YouTube friendly videos. Now that was accepted and his YouTube channel broke the internet. He got fame to that. His name was spreading. Now the story also goes that when he was getting popular on YouTube, he got a lot of hatred. His own colleagues were making fun of him, but he went through all of that. Now during that point, he also wrote a book on how to get leads on LinkedIn, how to be successful on LinkedIn, how to have a successful career out of LinkedIn platform. You can use LinkedIn platform very effectively. It's a very good book. You should give it a read. The link is in the description below. Now currently he's a third year student in BITS. He's a startup of his own. He has a successful YouTube channel. He's currently freelancing as well. Now if you get back to the first point, that how did he made 9 income streams. So the main point is that he never give up learning. He acquired a new skill every time when there was change in the environment, and he became very comfortable in changing situation. So he developed that adaptability skill as well. The 9 income streams that he has: live streams, book, crypto, stocks and mutual fund, affiliate sales, AdSense, freelancing, brand deals and his own business. You can watch his own video, link is in the description below for getting more information, where he himself had shared all of these income streams and how much he's earning from a single stream. Now on a personal basis, when I was going through his whole life and tried to summarize that into this video, I saw a pattern that everything he had achieved in his life is somewhat connected to his life in the past, where he tried to do something and tried to adapt in the situation, which ultimately had developed a new skill for him, which he used in the future. How he wanted to achieve new things but was not able to, and finally took every opportunity that he got in life. Because of that nature, he explored a lot of new things. So that's it from my side. Explore new things. That's what I would like to say. And try to connect the dots, and you will find a reason that the thing that you are doing makes sense. Also, we are trying to make a freelancers community. Link is in the description below. We will be aggregating gigs from and leads from every other platform, and we will be displaying it to you in a single platform, so that you can reach out to them and get more gigs and have a successful freelancers journey. You can come and talk to us. We'll talk to you. We'll have a chat. We'll learn more about the freelancing in general. You can also come and talk to other person, make your team in freelancing, and so that you can have a successful freelancing journey like you hear in the news. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for sticking by, and have a good day. Thank you so much.